Okay, not every day is going to be a fabulous hair and makeup day, and over the age of 50, I feel like we can get stuck in a rut. And then I look at this makeup and think, no wonder I feel uninspired. Most of this lot is vintage. It actually looks older than me. But it's hard to break routines, especially over 50, and we can lose our confidence to try new things. But not today. Today I'm going to change that. So this little bag is where the shift began for me, because makeup isn't about covering up, it's a reflection of self-care. And when I needed a reset, I reached for products that felt simple, effortless and modern and gave me confidence. Merit is all about minimalist beauty, products that work and don't hide your skin, and it's fantastic at hydrating older skins, making the appearance of our lines and wrinkles a little minimized. I absolutely love this product. It is their tinted SPF, it's called the Uniform, but it gives you the best glow ever. Now, in the wintertime, I up my retinol, so it's so important that I actually have my SPF in place to protect from any sun damage. My skin feels so dewy. I'm going to use their complexion stick, and I'm actually just going to pop it straight from the tube onto the areas where I've got shadows. This instantly will brighten my under eyes and give me that little bit of radiance, making me look like I've had a good 10 hours of sleep. Now we're heading into autumn, and I'm sad to say that my tan is fading and I'd like a little bit of a glow. So I'm going to use this gorgeous bronzing stick. These products are so creamy and I love them. I use my fingers to put my makeup on with cream products. I find it works beautifully. You can use a brush, of course, if you wanted to. So I've got two of their blushes. I'm actually going to go with this one, which is a coral one, just to give myself some really lovely rosy cheeks. I do love a blush, and it does make me feel super confident and very, very youthful. I love eyeshadow. I'm not going to be without my eyeshadow, and I've got this gorgeous, really beautiful little beigey brown. I'm just going to pop that all over my lids. These cream eyeshadows are so easy to use. I just pat them on, give them a sweep, and then a quick tidy up, and it's done. Now I like to do a little bit of line across my lashes. This is called Nelson. It is a charcoal grey. It's fabulous, and I'm using their little brush actually. It's superb for just going along the lash line. I just want to go along my lash line and give my lashes just that little bit of definition. What I love about Merit's mascara is that if you feel that you haven't actually got very long lashes, check this out. You will be surprised at just how long your lashes are going to look with this. It's sensational. Now I picked up two pinks. I've got Sunday, which is a kind of a nudie pink, and I've got this one, which is called Power, which is going to give me all the confidence that I could ever need or want. Let's go. Oh, wow. Wowzers, I feel so good. Look at my complexion. I've got glow. I feel sassy. I feel fantastic. This makeup is superb. I feel like it was created for women just like us. It feels like luxury skincare, and there's 15% discount on sets at the moment. And you also get this free, rather fabulous makeup bag. Look, I know that makeup is only going to go so far. True confidence comes from something much, much deeper. It's that quiet, unshakable confidence that comes from decades of living and learning. Confidence for me now means freedom. The freedom to say no without guilt, the freedom to wear what I want, and the freedom to try new adventures and not worry what anybody thinks. It's the ability to love yourself enough that you move your body. That is real confidence. I love a good makeup day. It makes me feel fabulous, but I also know that real, true confidence is an inside job. It's about self-acceptance. It's about self-love and letting that joy shine through. Until the next time, bye for now.